Okay, so real quick before we dive into fixing that bug, in our barricade, I want to go ahead and really quickly change our can interact function to basically be the result of the does have a broken board. So we're just going to return the result of that and be done. Okay, so back in our interaction ability here, we have our manage interaction message. So previously, right in this if statement, we had a check of is held interaction, and we changed that to does have interaction, or sorry, does held interaction have duration. So what we want to do is check both cases. So if B is held interaction, and does it have a duration? So if that is the case, then that should hopefully, in theory, allow us to have resolved our revive, display message bug in conjunction with everything else still working as expected. So now we no longer have the corresponding revive. We do have the message here. So I'm going to start rebuilding up the barricade. And it should just automatically go away, which it does. And if I go down, we are now prompted to revive, in which case everything there seems to be good to go. Okay, so that is good there. So real quick, let's go ahead and there's one more thing I am kind of curious about. So if I play with two clients, I want one to go ahead. Oh, we had an issue with the view model. That's what that error was. So we can see this guy is prompted to rebuild, and so is this guy. So what I'm curious on is if I hold F here, we basically want to restrict the other person from being able to rebuild while we are currently rebuilding. So that's something we need to do. And we also have another bug still from pretty early on, which was caused by basically being able to spam F. So let's wait for these to fall. And when I spam F, you can see we rebuild, pretty much instantly. So we want to, get those sorted out. And I'd say we are pretty much done with the whole barricade system, minus the zombies being the ones breaking down the boards. So the barricade's essentially done, but the zombie part still needs work. So with that out of the way, I will see you in the next video. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.